I've lived here since February, so right when they were starting opening some places, I first moved here. My boyfriend Joe and I looked at probably 9 other apartments before here, and this was our last one because when we toured it and it had the garage and the price and the location, all the brand new amenities and stuff, we were done searching. Right now, I obviously like the pool. It's really quiet right now because there's not a lot of people here. But even if there was, I feel like it's big enough for a lot of people. I really like the valet trash because I don't have to take my trash to a dumpster. You know, that kind of seems silly, but just to set it out on your front door is really nice. So just the other day, I thought it was a weird request, but my garage door was really squeaky. So I didn't know if that was something that they could fix or anything. And I emailed Watermark and they fixed it within like 2 hours, and that was that. And I feel like anytime I would have something, they would be okay to go ahead and do it.